our institutional orientation was very traditional. It was overwhelming, kind of a little boring. If students missed it, they were sent a recording of the presentation. We're not even sure 100% if the ones who missed the in-person actually got the recording.
We wanted to make time to provide a meaningful interaction for the students. We have domestic, but we have on campus, and we have also distance learning. So different information is served to the different groups in addition to the international. Most of the times, the stats just showing will have completed their orientation by the deadline. We're able to track if somebody's stuck somewhere. With this system, you're able to track the analytics by section.
Students start off with this online orientation now before they attend anything on campus. So it really sets the stage for their experience.